I don't think we've said the word metaverse yet, which is frankly amazing this far into the conversation. I think if we were having this conversation a couple years ago, we would have said it in the first like 60 seconds. So there's that. And then there's this whole generative AI thing, which is kind of the new metaverse in a way in terms of it's a buzzword. I think there's a little more to it than that. Is Roblox a metaverse company, and is generative, like how do those two ideas intersect? And
I like the notion that irrespective of the news cycle or what's been going on, our product development trajectory has been relatively consistent and smooth and straightforward. So I like the notion that what we were doing 5 years ago blends into what we're doing today in a smooth fashion, driven by our own vision rather than the news cycle. That said, on the metaverse angle, we do believe this new emerging category runs on all devices, which is really cool. It runs on phone, tablet, computer, console, VR, AR devices, all of that. So I think we've been very consistent there. Same on the AI thing, in that our trust and safety team's been running all kinds of AI models for the last 3 or 4 years, both on quality and on cost. And we've gotten to the point where I think over 98% of the 3D models, for example, that are submitted don't go through AI scans that are more accurate than human scans right now. So this is both a quality and a cost benefit. We started rolling out more creation type AI, so both the material generation and code generation, but there's so much opportunity here. And there's so much, I mean, we can imagine what it could be someday. There's that Westworld episode where someone sits down and says, do this and do this.